Hello, my name is Mario Mata, and I'm going to talk through other connection options in Oasys Primer. In the past, when clicking on the Set Columns button, the columns displayed were those most relevant to the selection of connections on the table. There was no option to save the column settings. However, from version 20, a new button has been added, Save Columns to Pref. When clicking on that button, the current columns displayed get saved in the OA pref file. Later on, clicking on the Set Columns button will retrieve the saved column settings, but only if the preference has been previously saved. If it hasn't, Set Columns button will calculate the columns as before. It's worth mentioning that this new option requires all displayed connections to be of the same type, spot welds, bolts, etc. If they are different, the Set Columns button will still work as before. I'm going to show this in a short live demo. These are connection tables where you can see that all the connections are spot welds. If I click on the button Save Columns to Pref, all these columns get saved in the preference file. Now, if I make any changes to these columns, for example, let's remove the ID, type, subtype, and status columns. They are not here anymore, but if I click on the button Set Columns, they should come back as they were there before. Thank you.